I'm the only thing in the way, they tryna slide up. Lil' bro thirsty to pop out with the drag, he ain't found one. Told lil' bro I want niggas with names, he ain't found one. Ask your block who they catch with a name, they ain't found one. Fuck it though, you can't blame me, I didn't put in too much work. Fuck it